it's Laura with your latest tech update. Younger workers are less comfortable with new technology than you might think. A new study's found a fifth of 18 to 29-year-olds feel judged when they encounter an IT problem. Despite growing up with modern tech, literally in the palm of their hands, office devices can still be a mystery to them. You see, many of today's first jobbers have only ever worked remotely, and some have never used standard office tools such as PCs or Word and Excel. They've missed out on the training and experience older colleagues take for granted, reducing their confidence when they have a tech problem. A little training across your whole team can help everyone and give a real confidence boost to younger workers, which could be a fantastic investment in productivity. We can help with this. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.